Hey guys, want to add extra protection to your domain? Activating DNSSEC on Namecheap can help secure your DNS from tampering. In this video, I will show you step by step how to enable DNSSEC for your domain. So start by logging into your Namecheap dashboard. From the sidebar, go to your domain list that will look something like this and find the domain that you want to secure with DNSSEC. Now, select the Advanced DNS tab and find the DNSSEC section by choosing Advanced DNS like this and search for DNSSEC. Now, toggle the button to the right. So this status button should be toggled on to the right and it will look something like this. Once your request is processed, you will receive the corresponding prompt message that will say, "All good, request processed successfully." Note that there is no option to manage the values of DNSSEC records on these sets of name servers as everything is set automatically. And that's it. Now please wait 60 minutes for the settings to take effect, and if you want to disable it, just toggle that specific button to the left and it will be turned off. And if you're using third-party DNS providers, you may need to manually add DS records provided by your DNS host into Namecheap's DNSSEC settings. Check with your DNS provider for those details. Once DNSSEC is active, regularly monitor your DNS settings to ensure they remain correctly configured, especially if you update name servers or make DNS changes in the future. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.